I'm Sienna, and today I'm going to show you how to compost with this quick guide. To start, you will need to clear the area that you want to be your compost pile, bare to the ground where it's just dirt. Then you'll need to put a garden bed around it. So this is our garden beds. We have our first garden bed, and then this is our second, which is our current compost pile. So after you clear your area and add the garden bed, you will need to put straw or twigs at the bottom to make sure that the extra water filters out. Then you can start adding your leftover scraps, leaves, newspaper, lawn and garden weeds, and so much more. If rain is scarce, make sure that you water every once in a while. Then you can cover to retain the moisture within your compost pile. So we have our other compost pile right there, which is currently covered so that can start decomposing. What you do not want to add: don't add meat, bones, or fish scraps. Avoid using perennial weeds or diseased plants. Do not add pet manure if you will be planting food crops. Banana and peach peels, plus orange rinds, could contain pesticides, so make sure you do not add those. Black walnut leaves also should not be added. Sawdust should be spread around and not in clumps. Every couple of months, make sure you turn your compost with a rake or a pitchfork. After a really long time, when your compost has completely decomposed, you can use the compost as soil and then move it to other gardens, or you can use it right where it is. So, as you can see, we have our tomato plants over here, and this used to be our first compost pile. So this is what we are using now. And then in our other two areas over here, you can see that we have started growing plants here and here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you will start making a compost pile for yourselves. And enjoy your day, and bye.